It was just 1 year ago that Chinese President Xi Jinping hosted U.S. President Donald Trump in Beijing for a state visit. The spirit of friendship seemingly cemented by $250 billion in pledged business deals. Since then, Trump has imposed tariffs on $250 billion in Chinese goods, from steel to handbags and toys. Ahead of their meeting in Buenos Aires, Trump told the Wall Street Journal, quote, "If we don't make a deal, then I'm going to put the $260 billion additional on at a tariff rate of either 10% or 25%. Beijing expressed hope that the two presidents can make progress where lower-level efforts have stalled.
We hope that the U.S. side can go hand in hand with the Chinese side and work hard to promote the meeting to achieve positive results in accordance with the spirit of the consensus of the two heads of state."
White House officials say out of all of President Trump's bilateral meetings, he'll have the longest one with President Xi Jinping, having a working dinner with representatives from both sides, a chance not only to work on the personal relationship and renew it, perhaps, but also to get down to these finer details of the U.S.-China trade relationship. Trump's point person on the economy says the president is open to a deal and believes one is possible, but
issues of intellectual property theft must be solved. Forced technology transfers must be solved. Significant tariffs and non-tariff barriers must be solved.
China's ambassador to the U.S., Shui Tiankai, warns of possible global consequences if the leaders don't reach agreement, telling the Wall Street Journal, quote, "But if we allow the current situation to go on, there's a real risk that the integrating global market might become fragmented." I asked Kudlow to respond.
The ambassador makes a point. Now, if he would do his part, or his government would do their part, certain things have to be changed. The rest of the world agrees with us.
Kudlow says the White House plans to use the G20 to rally the global community around Washington's position, an unlikely outcome for a U.S. leader who has shunned multilateralism and has repeatedly criticized America's top trading partners. Jessica Stone, CGTN at the White House.